Hi, my name is Mallory, and I'm the owner of Lavender and Lily Floral here in Austin, Texas. And I wanted to tell you guys about EveryStem, which is this amazing program that I've been using that's been helping me and my business. As you know, there's so much that goes into planning florals for each event, from concepting to ordering to actually executing the design on the event day. In the past, I often felt intimidated when placing my orders with my wholesaler. Am I ordering enough product? Am I overspending? What are my margins? What I love about EveryStem is that it takes all the guesswork out of your floral orders. With this tool, I can create recipes for the items on an event order and input all the flowers I want to use, and the app will calculate how much I need to order. And will even tell you if you have any leftover bunches. One of the things I love is that this app really helps me cut down on the amount of waste and on the amount of product that I'm using. I get just enough for my event, which is great for my business margins and better for the environment. The app also really helps me when I'm building initial quotes for clients. It also gives me a financial snapshot of each event. I love that it's totally customizable and I can edit each project to fit my needs for my event. The best part is that this app has been created by someone who has spent years in the floral industry and truly understands the needs of floral designers. EveryStem has been a game changer for my business. Go check it out. I know that you're gonna love it too.